अस्सलामुअलैकुम एवरीवन, आई होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। आज की वीडियो में हम मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट एंड मोस्ट रिपीटेड इस्लामिक स्टडीज़ एमसीक्यूज़ के पार्ट 5 को डिस्कस करेंगे। अगर अभी तक आप लोगों ने इससे पहले वाले पार्ट्स नहीं देखे तो उसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। तो चलिए आज की एमसीक्यू स्टार्ट करते हैं। आज की हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, द ट्रीटी ऑफ हुदैबिया वाज साइंड बिटवीन द मुस्लिम्स एंड द कुरैश इन विच ईयर ऑफ हिजरा। सुलह हुदैबिया का मुआहिदा मुसलमानों और कुरैश के दरमियान कब तय पाया गया? ऑप्शन ए 5 AH, ऑप्शन बी 6 AH, ऑप्शन सी 7 AH, ऑप्शन डी 8 AH। The correct answer is option B 6 AH. The Treaty of Hudaybiyah was a pivotal peace treaty signed in the month of Zulqa'd 6 AH between Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him and the Quraysh of Makkah. Question number 2 is, who among the following was the first man to accept Islam? Option A Hazrat Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu, option B Hazrat Usman, option C Hazrat Ali, option D Hazrat Umar radiallahu anhu. The correct answer is option A Hazrat Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu. Hazrat Abu Bakr was the first adult male to accept Islam after the Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him began his mission. Question number 3 is, the hijrat of the Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him from Mecca to Medina took place in which Christian year? Option A 610 AD, option B 622 AD, option C 632 AD, option D 644 AD. The correct answer is option B 622 AD. The Hijra or migration from Mecca to Medina occurred in 622 AD and is a pivotal event in Islam, marking the beginning of the Islamic calendar. Question number 4 is, the Islamic holy book, the Quran, is divided into how many chapters? Surahs. Option A 104, option B 114, option C 124, option D 134. The correct answer is option B 114. The Quran is comprised of 114 chapters known as surahs of varying length. Question number 5 is, the Battle of Badr was fought in which year of Hijrah? Option A 1 AH, option B 2 AH, option C 3 AH, option D 4 AH. The correct answer is option B 2 AH. The Battle of Badr, a key battle in early Islam, took place on 17 Ramadan 2 AH, March 13, 624 AD. Question number 4 is, the Islamic holy month of fasting is? Option A Muharram, option B Safar, option C Rajab, option D Ramadan. The correct answer is option D Ramadan. Ramadan is the ninth month of Islamic calendar, is observed by the Muslim worldwide as a month of fasting, prayer, reflection and community. Who was the first caliph of Islam after the death of Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him? Option A Hazrat Umar radiallahu anhu, option B Hazrat Ali, option C Hazrat Abu Bakr, option D Hazrat Usman. The correct answer is option C Hazrat Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu was the first of the four Rashideen caliph and a close companion of the Prophet. Question number 8 is, the five pillars of Islam are the core beliefs and practices. Which of the following is not one of them? Option A Shahada, option B Salat, option C Hijab, option D Zakat. The correct answer is option C Hijab. The five pillars are Shahada, Salat, Zakat, Saum and Hajj. Hijab is an important practice but not one of the core pillars. Question number 9 is, the Treaty of Hudaybiyah was signed in which year of Hijrah? Option A 4 AH, option B 5 AH, option C 6 AH, option D 7 AH. The correct answer is option C 6 AH. The Treaty of Hudaybiyah was a pivotal peace treaty signed between the Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him and the Quraysh of Makkah in March 622 CE 6 AH. Last question is, what is the name of the cave where Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him received the first revelation? Option B Cave of Uhud, option C Cave of Hira, option D Cave of Arafat. The correct answer is option C Cave of Hira, Ghar Hira. The Cave of Hira, located on the mountain of Jabal Nur near Makkah, is the site where Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him received his first revelation from Allah. ये थी हमारी आज की वीडियो। आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। इस तरह के मज़ीद MCQs के लिए आप हमारी वेबसाइट myMCQs.net विज़िट कर सकते हैं। मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।